Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay.
So I'm here for the pilot program for the Academy of Teachers. So all the teachers today have 5 years or less experience. So today I taught a workshop called Love Above All Things. It's a creative writing workshop. For me, I find that this is the easiest way to start a poem. And it shows teachers how to bring workshops like mine into their classroom to have their students write emotional, creative, and vulnerable poems. Tell me who you are. Tell me what your heart is. All right?
I forgive myself for becoming a single mother.
I forgive myself for allowing people to make me believe that I am not enough. I am more than enough.
I am more than enough.
I am strong, brilliant, and wonderfully made.
I am worthy of everything I have earned and continue to gain.
Love is all that I am and all I will allow near me.
Do you think that's something that you can do with your students? I'm going to be teaching them adult-level concepts and writing prompts and how to transform them into writing prompts for any age, no matter what grade they are teaching. Wow, that was harder than the workshop.